Classwork 5.5 Property Logs Expanding Logarithms Part 1. What is the purpose of using properties of logarithms? To expand, to approximate. Expand means to write one log into 2 or 3 logs, depending on how many multiplications or divisions you have. The second purpose is to condense, to solve log equations. Okay, so properties of logs for expanding. A. Whenever you have a log of a base b and you multiply, you can rewrite it as 2 logs of the same base b, and you just add them. The second property, whenever you take a log of a base b, k divided by w, there's 2 logs here. There's 2 numbers here, so you're going to split it into 2 logs. Log base b, log base b. K goes first because k is on top. Since it's divide, you're going to subtract. C. You have a log base b of a number to a power. All you do is bring this power to the front and it becomes multiplication. Okay, so let's see this in action. Example, rewrite as a sum or difference of logs. Simplify if possible. So the first one, example 1, log 50 times 2. It's times, so we're going to expand this to 2 logs, so it's going to be log 50 plus log 2. Now to simplify if possible, the base is here. 10 to the what gives you 50? If I don't know, so I'm going to skip that. 10 to the what gives you 2? I don't know, so that's my answer. So when you expand this multiplication becomes addition. Example 2, log base 4 of 64 squared times x. There's 2 numbers here, so when I expand this, I'm going to have 2 logs of the same base 4. And times means addition. Now I have to bring this exponent to the front, so this becomes 2 log base 4 of 64 plus log 4 of x. 4 to the what gives you 64, and this turns into 3 because 4 to the third gives you 64. 2 times 3 is 6, so 6 plus log base 4 of x, and that's our answer. Example 3, log base 2 of 3 times 8 times x. So there's 3 numbers here, so when I expand it, I'm going to have 3 logs of the same base 2. Log base 2 of 3, log base 2 of 8, and log base 2 of x. Since they're all multiplication, so I'm going to write plus. So every log is separated by a plus. 2 to the what gives you 3? I don't know off the top of my head, so I'll put log base 2 of 3. 2 to the what gives you 8? 2 times 2 3 times will give you 8, so it'll be 3. 2 to the what gives you x? I don't know, and that's our answer. Number 4, log 200 divided by 4. So when I expand this, there's 2 numbers here, so I'm going to write 2 logs. Log 200. Division means subtraction, so they're separated by subtraction. I'm dividing by 4, so the 4 is the one with the negative. Now this is base 10. 10 to the what gives you 200? I don't know. 10 to the what gives you 4? I don't know. So that's my answer. Moving down to number 5. Just going to write it right under here. There's 3 numbers here. So when I expand, I have 3 logs. The first number is a 5. It's on top, so the log's positive. The second number is a 3, and it's on top, so it's positive because it's being multiplied. The last one's on bottom, and it's division, so I have to bring down a subtraction. 3 to the what gives you 5? I don't know, so log 3 of 5. 3 to the 1 gives you 3, so this turns into 1. 3 to what gives you x? Don't know. This 2 I have to bring to the front, because anything to the power you can rewrite as multiplication. And that's our answer. Last one, number 6. I'm going to expand this log base 5 of 4 divided by 125 times x cubed. So there's 3 numbers, so when I expand it, there's going to be 3 logs. Log base 5 of 4, the first number is 4. Log base 5 of 125. Log base 5 of x cubed. This one's on top, so this log is positive because it's multiplication. This one's on bottom, so that's division, so this log is subtraction. This one's on bottom, so that's division, so that's subtraction. Now I'm going to simplify. 5 to the what gives you 4? Don't know. 5 to the what gives you 125? 3. 5 to the what gives you x? Don't know. The 3 I can bring down from the exponent, and it becomes multiplication. And that's our answer. Thank you for your time. This is classwork 5.5, properties of log, expanding, part 1.